Hi, thank you for joining. We are looking at Ecamm Live Basics. Today is the Source Tab video file. Let's look at that. Now, if you're at this video, then you've probably already gone over a couple of the other basics. We're talking about super bare bone basics here. Quick review over the Source Tab. Source Tab, we've already gone over blank. We've already gone over camera, share screen, and now we're on video file. This is about video file and how to bring a video file in, what that means, and how to actually use it. Just the basics, guys. Let me go on in here to demo mode so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. And I'm the security lady, Total Life Wellness, TSL Total Life Wellness. Thank you for joining in demo mode. Now you can see exactly everything that is going on my screen. Up here, the Source tab, the blank, the camera, the share screen, and the video file. We're looking at the video file. As you see, I have a lot of videos here. So when you click on that video file, it will bring up all the videos that you have pulled into your Ecamm live demonstration or that you would like to pull in. You can choose a file from the list that you have on the video file. You can choose a file, any of these right here, or you can choose a file that will take you to your computer. Wherever you have your video files, that's what choose a file will go straight onto your computer. If it's on your desktop, it will go to your desktop. So we're not going to click on that right now, but that gives you an idea to click on that one and bring up the files that you have saved in your computer or the ones that you've already saved here that you've already used previously on Ecamm. Another way you can bring in the videos is right here. This right here says video file. It's exactly the same as what we saw up here on the Source tab. Now let's bring one in. Let's go to the Noble ergonomic office chair. Click on that video. The Noble ergonomic office chair is a beautiful chair to have in anyone's office for your computer. If you're going to sit down all day, it makes me feel like I look forward now to sitting down all day. Let me show you why. This chair has back in on the camera, and we went over the camera earlier, so you know what that is. If you don't know how to do that, please go back and check out my tutorial on the Source tab camera option. Going back to the video, there's something else that we can do with this video to show you. Let's bring in the unmute that, and now you can hear me again. So when that is muted, you can't hear. When this is not muted right here, this controls whether or not you can be heard or not be heard. If you click that, you will not be heard. And then you can again bring this. Now you see the X on this speaker means that you are muted, or your video is actually muted. This is the video and this is you. So let me go over this real quickly one more time and you can see that. We'll go back up here to the file, or you can go over here to the source and bring in a file. Now earlier we went right here and we brought in a file from here. Right now we'll go to the source tab and it's exactly the same thing. Pull up the video. You can either choose a file from your computer or one that you had already previously pulled up, which will be stored right over here, and we can pull up a video file. My newer lights, because they're so easy to travel with, they come in this tiny little black bag. So the newer bag, on the bag it has several different pockets inside. It has on the video port on this side of the bag. We turn this down and you won't be heard. If you want to mute yourself, again, we has the little swivel top that also comes with this in this nice little carry bag with the two sides. It comes with six different filters. It comes with 2 blue. And now I'm back in. You can hear my voice. So this is simple. And again, take yourself out of the video. Say the video is done. You're finished. You want to get out of the video. Bring yourself back in from the camera option. And again, you can go back and review the tutorial on the camera option. So I hope this was helpful with the video file. This is bare bones basic, guys, bare bones basic on how to bring a video file. A couple of the ways you can bring the video file in to your Ecamm presentation. If you would like to learn more, then you can put your camera, turn on your camera on your phone, hover it over this QR code right here, Click it, it'll take you right to the website to go so you can go ahead and get started on your free trial, no obligation. Or you can go right here to live streaming on socialmedia.com and sign up for your free trial to try out everything that I've showed you here and much, much more. Thank you for watching.